In this video, we are going to look at how to cancel a transaction. A transaction in Ethereum. If you have an Ethereum wallet and you want to cancel a transaction, this is what you are going to do. Step 1, in order to cancel a transaction, you need to do the following. Click on the pending transaction. In this case, I click on my wallet and click on the pending transaction. Find a field called nonce on the screen. Record the value in that field. So the nonce is this one here. Record it. In my case, it is 2. Now, we are going to step 2. Start a new transaction. Now, let me copy my receive address because I need it. Now, we are going to start a new transaction and I'm going to send. Okay, click on send. In the recipient address right here, paste your own public wallet address. I copied it already and now I'm pasting it. The same one you are sending the transaction from. So this address must be the same address of this very wallet, the receive address of the very wallet, because here you are trying to cancel the transaction. Maybe it has been pending for days or you made a mistake. Okay, especially for the pending transactions, this is what you need to do. Now for the amount, you're going to type 0. Okay, 0 Ethereum, and you click next. Now on this screen, you are going to click the gear icon, the one on the top right. Okay, scroll down and replace the nonce value with the value recorded earlier. So this value, we are going to change it. Set a high gas price, confirm the transaction. Okay, so now let me use a tool, the ethergasstation.info. I want the fastest. Okay, so the fastest is the fastest if I want to send a transaction is let's see how much GUI I need to spend. So basically I need to spend 23.3 GUI. So I'll just come here after getting that information and I change the gas price to 23.3 GUI because I don't want it to delay again. Remember, the ounce has got to be 2. The nonce has got to be 2. So you click save. Now, it has brought a higher network fee compared to what I had given it in the first transaction. So now when I click send, this process will create a new transaction that will override the pending transaction and cancel it out. So this is how you cancel a transaction. In case you are stuck with a transaction in Ethereum, this is how you do it. You can watch this video over and over again so that you can learn how to cancel your own transactions. As you can see, it is already sent, and you can see that the transaction has been cancelled. It doesn't show that it's pending anywhere, and only the transaction fee has been deducted. Thank you. If you like this video, you can subscribe and like the channel. Like the video, like the channel.